When you're with friends, we always want to create a warm and cohesive core area, and the wood stoves are the best choice. Selected 304 stainless steel, perfect for outdoor cooking and heating needs. Hollow fire watching grid design. Interlace design. It stops the fire sparks from splashing. With condensed fire cover. And it facilitates 360 degrees ventilation. Gather all the power of the fire. Make watching fire more immersive. As if the world was immersed in a quiet beauty. Why choose a 36cm size? Because it makes a decent fire. It can be used by one person or in a large party. Most importantly, it is easy to manage and maintain. With a full range of accessories. Just a gentle lift. You can start a journey of warmth and beauty. It takes us back to nature. Find your own peace of mind.